on your same way, sunrise. Morning from a powerful pretty baby. From broke days to plates full of grace. Man, not strain a room, not chasing no face. Yeah, stand steady when the world takes my pace. The fire where we share keep cold like swamp. True plain Rama give you all. No fake vows, just deeds from the core. Your name grip on my road till dust. Set to my remain sharp. Blessed union, strong bond. You're forever chosen partner. Crown your queen in every space. From here to road, me keep it straight. Skin to skin heat, make time wait. Me promise action loaded and chat. Till I spread me stay exact. True devotion, firm, never slack. Rock solid faith, man, I backtrack. Always that, when bills stack, I ain't sleep run thin. Your voice calm my nerves from within. My hustle clean hands, honest spin. Food on the table, smile and grin. Me respect your mind and your skin. Boundaries, sacred trust, we win. Late night talk, make future begin. Plans them solid like drum and tin. No fear can split the team. Me stand 10 toes, loyal king. Every storm pass, we still serene. Promise kept again. Heart discipline, straight line commit, not remain. Sure footing, strong vision plain. Together we reign, sustain. Yeah, me ride with a true rain and flame. Body and soul, mistake the claim. No other girl could take your place. Me crown your queen in every space. From here to road, me keep it straight. Skin to skin heat, make time wait. Me promise action louder than chat. Till I spread me stay exact. True devotion, firm, never slack. Rock solid faith, man, I backtrack. Always that. Hold me on firm. Future bright and certain, see it. The ring on your finger gleam true. Symbol of promise me renew. Me guard your peace like crew. Captain stay the course we pursue. Me nah play games, nah deal slide. Respect the crown where you carry high. Private joy keep sacred and dry. Bedroom fire hot yet dignified. Consent clear rhythm slow and deep. Me read your cues, take care. Outside nice can't creep. Legacy we build.